Welcome back to the show. Let's talk to Alex Zambrano, the Chief Market Analyst for Amana Capital. Morning to you, Alex. Let's talk about cable, the great British pound against the US dollar.
Yeah.
Not so great at the moment. Lots of technicians have come on the show suggesting this is going lower. Some of the fundamental analysts who have come on the show think it's going higher. What's your take?
I think every side, doesn't matter if you're like a technical analyst or fundamental analyst, bullish or bearish. It's a difficult market to trade right now because it swings up with a few hundred pip and then just comes down crashing, and there's not a real proper structure to this market right now. And maybe this is being exaggerated more because we're in August, September, people still taking time off, and then for the fact that the Fed has laid out its policy, as well the Bank of England as well has laid out their policy, and it's unlikely that they're going to make any major shifts like in the next 4 to 8 weeks. So because of that, I think it's quite likely really that the market remains range-bound. And I do suggest really people to take it really careful when trading. Now, if they are still looking for some opportunities, then we have last week's low, I think it's 127.76. Break to that level can potentially opening up for a decline to the June low as highlighted on the charts. The alternative is that we break above this week's high and price could head up to the next resistance levels, which is 130.61. But again, need to be very careful here, and I wouldn't get involved in this market right now. My preference is for volatility to narrow down even further so we can have some sort of a nice breakout and getting a very good residual ratio type of setup.
Well, the Japanese say there's times to buy, times to sell, and there's times to sit on your hands. And
definitely.
That's what I'm saying. Alex, as always, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks so much for having me.